Here we go once again. Guys, just sit back, relax and buckle up. So we are gonna watch what we are gonna do in Sri Lanka. Still we are at home, so we are going to go to Hikkaduwa today. So we are staying until our vehicle is going to come. So after we went for a long time, we just had our breakfast in a cute little shop. So I can't really remember the name. So again, now we are going to go in the highway, and we reached to a point after like 3.5 hours. So this is called the Hotel Rio, and this was the Vesak season, so it was so nice. There was the Vesak lanterns everywhere. So this is our room, just check it out. Oh my god, this looks so lovely. Here's a mirror to look at my face, and here is me. I'm in the hotel of Rio. So this is in Hikkaduwa. So it looks amazing. Actually, I will show you the view. This is the view outside. It's so hot today, and that's the pool. And there's the view of the beach. And there are so much rooms. Like it's like a cruise. And here's my father's bed with the pajamas, and this TV. And first of all, so this is the mirror of the room. So it's a little bit dark, but okay, it's just for the phone, but it's okay. And here's our mini fridge and all. Like there's like small things like the water, the Sprite and everything. For the morning coffee we have a beautiful mug to drink coffee and everything. So next, the best and most wonderful thing. Okay, there's the bathroom. So this is the elevator. This is my outfit. The skinny jeans, like the shorts, the hat, the phone and everything. We have to wait now. So I was so bored that time, so I just started making a coffee for me, and it was literally 10 p.m. at that time, but I can't remember. But this is me making coffee. Okay, now I'm gonna add this creamer. So I will keep it down because I can't keep it in my hand. So wait a minute. You know, this coffee table just looks so cute, you know, like the marble plates, and you know, there's a little mini fridge that just has Coke water because I get very thirst, and I'm like, oh, this is like a powder something. Here you see, it's a powder inside. So this is tasty. So now I'm gonna rest in the bed and I will read the magazines and all, and like I will wait. So now I'm gonna read the magazines. The magazines looks awesome, so I'll read that while I stay here and all. And this is my time in hikkaduwa, you know, like this is the last times. Good morning, guys. So this was my outfit for day number 2, and we went for breakfast and I had some croissant and all, and next I went to the pool for the last time in the hotel room, and the pool was amazing. It wasn't that cold and all, so I just had a rest in there. And next we went to eat lunch, and the lunch was also amazing as that. So guys, welcome back from day 3. So every morning flocks of vibrant parrots grace my uncle's garden in Sri Lanka. So this is in my hometown. So the parrots are drawn by the food he lovingly puts out for them. So it's honestly like a scene out of a nature documentary. Absolutely surreal. So and I also love parrots, but it's not my favorite. But here's me giving some food for the parrot. He's so lovingly cute. Just today, I can't remember the day, but when I edit I will just put it that. So I'm in Napur, so this is my hometown actually. So I just came to have a drink. So I literally just need to end the video because I just didn't think that I was gonna do a YouTube channel when I was in Sri Lanka, but I had one. So this is literally the end of the video. So see you guys later. I didn't just finish it genuinely. So bye guys.